The foremost thing, whenever we go for the compass surveying basically is meant to measure angles from a particular station. So initially the station has to be marked. So for marking the stations, the wooden peg is there, and wooden peg, the height of the wooden peg is very important. It's about 15 centimeter, 1 centimeter was your diameter, and you have to have it vertically. After this, as this becomes the station, it is necessary to put the tripod stand. So tripod stand has to be located, which is having 3 wooden legs. On the top, the portion which I am rotating, this is nothing ball and socket arrangement. This is to fix it properly. This arrangement is having the ball at the top. Now this sided region which is here, to which the compass needs to be fitted. Initially, we have to locate the tripod stand at a convenient height so that the entire batch can view it safely. So place it little bit up. After that, the compass needs to be fitted. Compass may be service compass or maybe prismatic compass. So at the bottom, the arrangement is being shown. It's a threaded one. The head has to be fitted on the top. So one has to rotate it and put it. Socket arrangement has to be fixed. Now, the top of the particular compass, here comes leveling. But before that, the centering is very important. For centering, we have to drop a piece of stone exactly on the wooden peg. So in order to drop the stone, we put it under the compass. We drop it. So it falls centrally over the wooden peg. That means it is in true vertical line. So that is very important. After that, we have to level it. For leveling operation, we need horizontally we level it roughly. Then we have to put a round object in such a way on the top. If the rolling is in one direction, that indicates what? That it is not truly level. So again, I have to make a provisions and to see that whichever direction I make, the rolling of the particular pan, which is rounded one or the pencil one, this should stop. Now when it stops, we have to view, and you will find one thing, that both the bubbles are in the center. That should be in the center. Now when it is in the center, when it is center, that means it is properly leveled. Now this is nothing but a service compass. In the service compass, north, south, east, west, all are inscribed, all are written. Readings are erect. That means you have to view from the top. Utmost important point, north and south, both are having 0 degree. East and west is having 90 degree. So it is a reduced bearing or it's a quadrantal bearing which you have to take into consideration. In this case, utmost important thing is towards east, west is written, and towards west, the east is written. The reason behind is one thing, that needle is a narrow one, and that narrow needle is freely to move, while the graduations are fixed on the compass. So when I move the particular compass in a clockwise direction, you can notice one thing, the needle moves in an anti-clockwise direction. Needle remains in position. When it remains in position, the compass, when you move it, you will see this remains in position. And you will see one thing, when I move towards northeast direction, needle moves in anti-clockwise direction. And you will find one thing, that west is written on the particular east junction. And towards west, east is being inscribed. Readings are erect. Minimum reading which you can obtain is 1 degree. Now you have to view from the top. So initially we have to bisect an object. So if I take a tree, now initially the Range Rover which is here, assume it as an object. object as A. I have to find the bearing of a line. Bearing of a line is with respect to true north. So that you have to record it. So in this case, two things are important. One is the eye vein. Second is the horsehair. So I have to look towards from eye vein portion to the horsehair and I have to bisect the ranging rod. When you bisect the ranging rod, the movement of the needle should also stop. And then you have to look from the top portion what is the bearing which is there. नहीं देखा ये नहीं अजू नीचे ले फ्लैग शुरू कराई वो चीज़ now in this case you will notice one thing that towards the red line which is being shown marked on the needle, that particular reading has to be recorded. Now the ranging rod, truly speaking, it is in the second quadrant. Second quadrant, that means it's more than 90 degree. If you take WCB, if you take RB, that means it is second quadrant, that means southeast. So you have to record those reading. Here the reading comes out to be
southeast 88 degree.
Southeast, no, it is south 88 degree towards east. So with respect to south, it is 88 degree east. Now if you locate it in WCB form, then it is second quadrant. When it is in second quadrant, at most important point, it is 180 minus theta. So it is 180 minus 88 degree. So that comes out to be whole circle bearing. That whole circle bearing is with respect to true north. So that we need to record it towards the another ranging rod, because with the bearing of that line also needs to be recorded. So I am going to bisect it towards the ranging rod. So looking through the eye slit, ranging rod needs to be bisected. This ranging rod is in the third quadrant. Now, how to find it in third quadrant? So when it is bisected, I have to see the readings again. So that reading it comes out to be how much? So the reading comes out to be south 45 degree west. When it is south 45 degree west, so it is in third quadrant. So it is more than 180, so third quadrant. If I want in a WCB form, then that comes out to be how much? So south 45 degree west. So it is 180 degree plus 45 degrees west. So that you have to record it, and according the reading comes out to be 180 plus 45, that is 225 degrees. That is with respect to whole circle bearing. True north 225 degree east, 225 degree west, the readings are recorded. Now if I want to have the bearings, the bearing between the two ranging rods, that is to be recorded. So bearing between the present rod, I assume it as B. So OB minus OA, whatever answer comes, that you record it. So it is 245 degree minus 245 degree minus 180 minus 88. So that needs to be recorded. So that comes out to be. Okay. The reading comes out to be, it is 245 degree minus into bracket 180 minus 88. That is RB. So that comes out to be 245 degree minus 92 degree. Whatever the angle comes, you have to record it. So that is termed as angle AOP. So the compass is used for measuring angles. That is very important.